Hello students and welcome back. This time we'll be studying two sounds. The first one is EE and the second one is OR. EE and OR. So for this one, we're going to need your donkey ears because we're going to make the sound of the donkey. All right, are you ready? E or, E or, E or, E or. Go on, make a great donkey. E or, E or. Good job. So we're going to have double words because there's two different sounds. Our first word is B-E-E. B-E-E for bee. A bee is an insect that flies and buzzes, bzzz, and it has yellow and black stripes. Bees are important because they pollinate our crops and nature's crops. Next word, F-O-R-K. F-O-R-K. Fork. Fork. A fork is a tool that we use for eating. It has prongs, either 3 or 4 prongs, and we pick our food with it and put the food in our mouth. Fork. Next word, S-E-E. S-E-E. See. See. This is a verb. It's the verb to see. So I see the camera and you see me. Next word, S-H-O-R-T. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Short. So short is the opposite of tall. Somebody that is short may be characterized as less tall. Somebody who is tall is not short because they're tall. Next word, S-H-E-E-P. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Sheep. So sheep are furry mammals that we tend to shave their fur off to make wool and thread. Sheep. And they also go ba. Next word, T-O-R-C-H. T-O-R-C-H. A torch. A torch is an object that allows us to see at night. When you turn it on, light comes out of it so you can see what's going on at night. Next word, F-E-E-T. F-E-E-T. Feet. Feet. People tend to have 2 of them. Do you have feet at the end of your legs? Very good. Next word, C-O-R-N. C-O-R-N. Corn. Corn. Corn is a vegetable that grows in crops. Next word, T-R-E-E. T-R-E-E. Tree. Tree. A tree is something that grows in nature and it has a trunk and foliage on top with leaves, typically. But there's all sorts of trees. Last word, S-T-O-R-M. S-T-O-R-M. Storm. Storm. There was a big storm last night with thunder, lightning, wind, rain. It was quite noisy. Well done, and see you next time.